Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a clean, seasoned lodge. Don't waste time. Get heat going now. Preheat oven to 450 degrees or set burner to medium-high if using the stovetop. While heating, apply 0.51 tablespoon high smoke point oil inside the pan and wipe thin with a paper towel so there's no pooling. Why thin? Excess oil causes sticky buildup instead of a hard seasoning layer. Once done, let the pan reach temperature so it cooks evenly. Once the pan is hot and shimmering, add the cooking oil and place food in a single layer. You'll hear a firm sizzle. Don't crowd the pan because steam prevents proper browning. Maintain a steady medium or medium-low heat. Adjust the burner so items brown without burning. Flip or stir with metal or wooden tools to build even crusts. If you need to deglaze, pour in a splash of stock or wine off heat, then scrape fond to capture flavor and preserve seasoning. When cooking finishes, remove food and let the pan cool briefly. You want it warm for cleaning. Wipe with a paper towel and, if necessary, rinse with hot water while scrubbing with a brush. Avoid soap unless reseasoning. If food sticks, simmer a little water to release bits, scrape, dry, and rub a thin oil coat. If the surface is sticky, make sure you didn't overoil. Bake the pan at 400 degrees for 1 hour with a whisper-thin oil layer to restore a hard, non-stick seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.